So where we are now is to avoid scams and pitfalls in Dubai real estate. Now, are there scams in Dubai? Of course, yes. Dubai is the country where many of these short stars that were caught, I'm not going to mention names, I'm sure you know some of these names, were being apprehended. So Dubai has a lot of scam activities happening. So how to avoid scams is anything that seems too good to be true, stay away from it. You need a guide, someone like me, to guide you through the whole process because I have researched, I have spoken to people, I know where the loopholes are. So please, anybody that tells you, oh, make payment upfront first before 50% payment upfront first, that's wrong. All right. Worst case is if you are very busy, you could send my team to go to Dubai and make sure that the property and everything checks out. So we with the lawyer, because sometimes, unfortunately, sometimes some of these guys would be able to also scam their lawyer sometimes. But when you have a consultant like me and the lawyer together, and both of us, are looking over the matter, we'll be able to save you from being scammed. So what I'm saying is that we also render a service to go to Dubai on your behalf to reset, to look at these things, to make sure all these things are in place. We do that, right? We do that. So we are willing to do that for you to make sure that whatever you are investing, that you want to buy, you want to lease, whatever you want to do, you are in safe hands. So you don't have to travel, you don't have to go all that route to make all these things happen. But it's going to be not fair on your part if I do not show you or explain to you that see, avoid being scam or pitfalls. All right, in pitfalls in Dubai. Okay, another pitfall in Dubai is the area you are marketing, recommending, or renting. The area has to be a good area. If the area isn't a good area, it's a pitfall. It's going to be hard for it to grow, to give you the returns you need, especially if you already invested. If you're not investing in anything, maybe you're just a referral agent, let me use that word, no problem. But if you are spending money and you need to make back your money and you need to pay back whatever it is, then you have to be willing to do what you have to do. All right, get the right places. I'm talking about the pitfall. Get the right places. That will help you to get those kind of. Because some areas are more expensive actually than some. The GFC area or zone, yes, area is a bit more way more expensive compared to some other areas in Dubai. So, advice is make sure you avoid this. All right. If you are a referral agent again, no wahala. But if you're going to spend money on buying a property or leasing, which I recommend you do eventually, please look at into owning a property in Dubai if you can. If you cannot, no wahala. If you can, please do. And don't be scared because I have a solid team behind me, both people in Nigeria and those in Dubai, in cross-checking and making sure that everything is well put in place, that you don't make any mistakes. The last thing we're talking about now is simply about scaling. You need to be willing to scale. And how do you scale? If you've been the only person who handles all the accounts, handles all the clients and everything, why not delegate? Give other people to help you do the same thing. All right, to help you follow up with your landlord, or follow up with your tenant or your guest. When you have extra hands, it's easier for you to scale up. And whenever you're making money, whatever money you've made, make sure you invest it. So even if you are normally like a virtual person before, and you now make a lot of money that can afford you to travel to Dubai, please take a trip to Dubai. And so you can see, this is what I'm saying for myself, see the opportunities all up in front of you that you can make money from. The amazing country, state, not country, amazing city that promises a lot of wealth, a lot of prosperity to its citizens, especially the royal family. Then to those of us who want to enjoy luxury, Dubai is a place for you. All right. So from it being your side hustle, it can become your main hustle. It can become the main thing you put your energy to, the main thing that brings in money, brings in bread to your door to your account every single day. It can be that. So give it that attention. Don't look at it at what this business it's too. No, it can change your life. Like the money I shared, the my balance, the money I've received that I shared with my Pioneer account is a sign to show that if I'm doing it, you can do it. I don't need to further convince you. Do your research, see how much they've made over the years, how much they've made last year, how much they've made last month. Into a lot of money, and you can tap and gain some of those wealth into your life and live a more happy and comfortable life. Leave your comfort zone. Stop being comfortable where you are. Stop looking at life where you are is where life has taken you to. There's more. When you travel, when you move, you see that people are doing a lot of wonderful things for themselves, for their community, because of the fact that they they've been able to do more. So my advice is be willing to do more, be willing to step out, be willing to adjust. When you do that, I can assure you everything will be fine. This is how we come to an end to this tutorial or this course, which is making the money making monster. Over time, I would be dropping some other nuggets, so subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these nuggets I'll be dropping over time. And if you've missed any of the videos, maybe because I made sure that the video are uploaded in the same in the sequence in which I want you to consume them in. If you miss them, please go back again and watch. I'm going to actually put part 1, part 2, part 3. Now I'm going to do that. Yeah, I'm sure that's what you've seen when you click the video. It's going to be happen so that you'll be able to follow through the whole process. Thank you again for deciding to purchase this course. Thank you again for deciding to watch all of it to the end. I try to make sure it's not a long one. Now, if you're wondering, I didn't talk too much about ads. It's because a video will pop up in your screen now that will take you to another video that talks about ad. Watch that video to the end. It talks about ads. So how you can run ads to attract customers. But like I said, don't focus solely on ads. Ads are changing. Many things are cracking their ability. For example, Facebook is not how it used to be before. Alright, TikTok is doing well, but not everybody can use TikTok at the moment based on your location and other things that are involved. Alright, so that ad part, you would get the video of that part. But please, guys, remember the video will also pop at the end of the video, so don't worry. But remember, every journey takes time, a stepping stone. Technology has made everything simple and easy for us. So what I need you to do is be willing to say, okay, you know what, I am going to take that step, which you've done. Watching this video, purchasing the course is good. You have taken the step. And the thing is to make sure you complete the journey. Don't leave it halfway. Alright? The whole process, don't leave it halfway. Now, if you want to estimate it done for you is, let me know and I'll in the comment section and I will let you know how much it's going to cost us to set all of this up for you. We'll make that happen. Or send a message or WhatsApp number to this number on your screen and we'll also get back to you. Thank you again once more. This is Carl Betitas and I appreciate every time you spent in watching the video. Please recommend this channel to others who you think may help and subscribe if you've not done so. See you in the next one. God bless.